Timmy, son, say your last prayer.
God, I tried, God. I tried to spread your goodness across China. I'm sorry, God. They just didn't want to listen. They're very ignorant individuals, God. But don't punish them. They didn't know no better, God. Don't punish them. I'm sorry.
Jake Giant, finish the job.
Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it.